Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we closed the OPEX above this level, 25,650. But after the market closed, we had the news that the European Union is about to suspend the trade deal with US. And of course, market already reacting this on this news. Approximately 1% downside on Nasdaq is expected on Sunday open, and so the US market will be closed on Monday, and we will have some reaction on Tuesday as the market opens. But yeah, on the daily chart we are in compression even before the news, and yeah, I think we can basically open the Sunday with this previous week low already taken. 4-hour chart as well, compression, and we are still chopping in this big range, daily range. We had this buy side 25,950, but of course, first of all, we need to look the sell size, which is first of all 25,421, and then this one 25,267. This range for me is a previous support level, and I think this news price action, this is going to have a correction, but it won't take long until we resume the upside momentum, in my opinion. 1-hour chart as well, you can see we are below the 200 EMA. And yeah, we had this 15 minutes tap from this bearish fair value gap, and yeah, this is the yearly open gap and previous support area, but I think we will lose this soon, and we'll take this liquidity at 25.27. Short term bearish price action and the volatility to be back. Let's open the VIX for a second. Yeah, on 1-hour chart you can see we had this rejection from 18 area, and I'm expecting VIX to open higher than this, and the reaction on 20 area will be crucial to me. Lower time frame, we have this small volume imbalance here. Yeah, on the 10-minute chart, it's more visible. Volume imbalance, it's going to be close, of course. We are going to open it higher than this, in my opinion. So short term, maybe this week, some volatility, some downside price action, but considering the fact we have President Trump speak on Wednesday, and we have some GDP numbers on Thursday, and Bank of Japan's policy rate, which is already priced in, which is a pause basically. I think, yeah, we will have some movement, and I don't expect too much of a downside. Moving to Bitcoin, you can see we have this upside momentum currently still holding. We are above this daily bullish fair value gap. We closed this gap basically, and we are ready for me maybe one more leg to the upside, maybe, just maybe, then some distribution at this area. I don't expect it even to go higher than 100 grand. Distribution at this area, and the bear market continues until the end of the 2026. Ethereum as well. Ethereum looks better in the short term. I think this buy side liquidity around 36.65 will be taken after all, before the distribution and the rollover. So yeah, we are above 2025 open, we are above December open, 2026 open. Yeah, and we have a daily squeeze. The weekly chart is still bullish, and yeah, we are coming for this liquidity right here. And the November open is very important too. So yeah, short-term bullish on um crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah, and Ethereum Bitcoin chart itself, you can see we are holding just above the yearly open and below the 2025 open. We can have one more leg to the upside, but eventually Ethereum Bitcoin chart will have the correction, and at least we will tap this box from here. This is an unmitigated area, and yeah, um, from here maybe I will look some longs on Ethereum. Otherwise, Bitcoin is still leading the markets. So uh, as I said, we have gap down for today's Sunday, for today's open. We will see how severe the gap down will be. Expected range is around 1%, which is gonna take us on the Nasdaq approximately to this previous week low, which will be taken after all. I'm sure about that. After that, we will see. On a lower time frame, 15 minutes. Let's open the pivot ribbon, and you can see. So we had this huge selling, and we are currently forming up H patterns one after another, and yeah, we'll have this previous day low taken and the previous week low as well, right here. But as I said, I don't think this is a big deal. This kind of big news usually comes near or at the bottoms. And considering as well that Jim Cramer is tweeting about the bad market open, I think we can basically even close Tuesday fully green. On earnings side, we don't have any significant earnings for this week. I mean, Netflix and maybe Intel can have some implications on Nvidia as well, Nvidia AMD as well. But overall, yeah, nothing too serious for this week. So after all, we will need to wait for Thursday numbers, and of course, President speaks on Wednesday and Thursday numbers. And the back of Japan usually is very important too, especially for Bitcoin and crypto. So yeah, I won't be very concerned about it, and I'll wait to see uh, uh, how far we are below from the previous week low on the Sunday open, and after that, we'll find some really good setups for Tuesday after the market opens for the US. So thank you so much, and let's wait for Tuesday. Bye.